no, dolly. It's okay. It's okay. You're okay.
Oh no, dolly! Oh no, dolly, if I'd have had the visibility, the IR3000, this would have never happened.
Obviously, this is a dramatization, but visibility can be a real issue on the job site. We hear stories all the time about employees running over supplies, backing into other machines, or even permanent structures such as homes or fences. Employees don't like getting up out of sit-down machines to see how close they are to hitting something when they're moving trailers or large pallets. With a stand-on skid steer, they're higher up for more visibility, and the lack of a cab means that the view behind the operator is unobstructed, so no spotters needed in tight spaces. Of course, there are times when an enclosed cab is best, but when visibility is most important, choose the IR3000.